she came in. It was the same because she was on the phone, and so I was in transition going to a room with my pet, and she just was immediately like just screaming, like yelling, because I guess she'd been on the phone and gotten heightened already, and was just yelling about she wanted her dog, which whatever. And then I went into a room. So I didn't see anything past that moment. I just heard everything because I was right there on that room 8 door. So everything happened right there in the hallway outside my door.